Oh, you stupid. That's what I get for f***ing around with that. That was one of the big boys there. See that fucking camera shit? You're gonna have to cut that out. Well, there's the first F-bomb of the morning. At least it wasn't me.
Oh, I'll stop.
Trust me, I got it. Woo, baby. Ooh, baby. Trip ain't turning into be what I expected. We were gonna do a float, but unfortunately, you know, I don't care what people say. I have a dog, and you know, dogs are like kids. You know, they are constant work, and unfortunately, my fiance has to work weekend shift. She ain't used to have to, but situations called for it. And when she was able to stay home with the dogs, which she didn't mind because she likes being around the dogs, I could get out and do more of this stuff for everybody out there. So I have to do a little bit of compromise. I mean, granted, we had one dog that passed away, and I went out and got another one, so it's kind of on me. But just something about those little fur missiles. But it was supposed to be like maybe a 3-hour float trip, but I think we I don't know how to explain this. Didn't realize exactly how far the takeout is. So we're gonna just. The other 3 guys are up there. Hopefully they catch fish. You know, go ahead, Brandon, Bradley. Hope the 3 Bs can kill it. But we're going to be heading down the river here. See how long it takes us to actually float where we're supposed to be. And we're going to take it from there. And it's going to get interesting. Hello, bud. Come down for another 2. Nice little one now. Woo-hoo! Decided to go to closer to the bank, that way just in case if we do have an issue, or at least we're close to the bank. There's a lot of crap in the water here, and since we're over on the area where it's shady, can't see near as good in the water. Oh, now we can. Must have been in a little deep trench. Now I can start to see the rock. Yeah, we got a lot of debris floating around down here. But tell you what, this Moken light, can't put a lot on it, but it's perfect for this.
Well, and that's how you dead stick it, I guess. Throw it out, reposition yourself. A decent one. Hey, you tell me, does that color work?
Heck yeah, it does. I'm gonna need my pliers for him.
There's Brando's first smallie.
Huh?
There's Brando's first smallie.
Second, remember?
Second.
First one today.
Oh yeah, I had the one down at Falmouth too, yeah. There we go. Like that's another little one. Oh, a little better. Where you going, bud? Oh, and he's off. Got Bradley hooked up over there. Got himself one out in the current. Apparently I'm stuck.
We're just about halfway. We got 2.5. Well, actually, no, we're a little more than halfway. We have two and a half. We'll just call it even 3 miles. 3 miles to go yet, and yeah, so we're making pretty good time. I think we'll be there in about an hour. So first we gotta get through it. So first we gotta get through this. Gonna be interesting. That looks like an eagle. Hey, yep, it's an eagle. 2 of them, 3 of them. Awesome. Check that out, everyone. Got 2 eagles sitting there waiting to pick my bones clean when I get caught on those rocks. All right, let's get this out of here because we got some navigation to do.
When we get them silly bastards down in that rock pile, there'll be some fun. They'll wish their fathers had never met their mothers when they start taking their bottoms out and slamming into them rocks, boy.
Woo! All right, that woke me up. Hold on, guys. Ooh, little bumpity bumps. That one might have took a chunk of plastic. Now, I don't know if there's any way around this, guys. This might be an interesting situation up here. Ooh. Yeah, I'm debating. I think maybe we're gonna beach it and we're gonna like walk it up and over, because that'd be the smart thing to do. Because 2.5 miles away from the truck, yeah, I think we might be able to beach it right up here, get out and drag it over. So that's what we're gonna shoot for. And I didn't attach my drag strap. Yeah, I don't know, guys. This might not be a good idea. I might have to see if I can power up in here and try to jump out quick, save ship. Okay, once I get my footing, I should be good. Like I said, once I get my fucking footing, I should be good. Okay. We got that recording? All right, that's awesome.